How does a discharge of bankruptcy order affect your case? After months of paperwork and waiting, you finally receive your discharge order in the bankruptcy. But what does that actually mean? Let's break it down. What debts are cleared? The discharge order legally wipes out most unsecured debts, including credit cards, medical bills, personal loans, utility arrearages, certain old tax debts in some cases. However, not everything gets discharged. Debts like student loans, child support, alimony, court fines, and recent taxes are usually not included in the discharge. So what legal protections do you gain? Once you receive your discharge, creditors are permanently barred from collecting on discharged debts, calling, suing, or sending collection letters, garnishing your wages or bank accounts for those debts. It's your legal fresh start. Can creditors still contact you? Not legally. If they do, it could be a violation of the discharge order and you can take legal action. Save all records of their communication and contact your bankruptcy attorney immediately if that happens. The bottom line, a discharge is the finish line in your case, and it gives you both relief from debt and protection from harassment. Just make sure you understand what's covered and what's not.